Kamusta mga chief? This is Icy Sagisag. I take and I make videos for a living. And also, mahilig ako magmotor at mahilig ako magluto. Our menu for today is pork adobo with Coca-Cola. Okay, so lagyan ng oil ang pan. Ilagay ang garlic. Isunod ang onion. Ngitian ng dumadaan. Okay, so after mag-isa, isunod na natin yung pork liempo. After nun, then you can add your salt, tapos dahon ng laurel. After that, add your soy sauce, vinegar, then you can add your water, and then your pepper. Let this simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. So, hindi tayo naglagay ng sugar because the sweetness will be coming from the Coca-Cola. And then let it cook again for another 10 to 15 minutes. And yun, you're ready for plating.